On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Andrea Spano, and I'm going to show you how to make crab cakes from my new book, Not Just Desserts. Okay, so now the crab cakes call for a lot of very interesting and quite a number of different ingredients. You can see that let's talk about the ingredients that we're going to add into the crab cakes. Okay, into the crab cakes themselves, we're going to have the lump crab meat. We're going to add, there's breadcrumbs, chopped up roasted peppers. We have the scallions. I've chopped up some garlic here, as you can see. And all these ingredients are actually going to go into the crab cake recipe itself, and some of the ingredients are going to go into the sauce, which we're going to talk about in a little while. We have cream sherry. You'll need some chopped scallions, of course salt and pepper to taste. We have oregano. We have heavy cream, but that's basically for the sauce. That's not going to be added into the crab cakes themselves.